Welcome back. In this session, we'll focus on refactoring for better performance, how to measure improvements, and how patterns collection abstract base classes and set protocol help structure efficient, consistent data types. We'll also look at mutability, its different role in collection design. Refactoring to improve performance. Refactoring is about improving code structure and efficiency without changing its behavior. When working with collections, this often means choosing better data structures or reducing algorithm complexity. For example, using sets instead of lists for frequent membership tests in lookups. Set lookups are on average, replacing nested loops with dictionary or set lookups, caching expensive computations. Checking performance. Before making any optimization, it's essential to measure current performance to identify bottlenecks. Python provides hardware tools for this. Timeit, cprofile, rhyme profiler, etc. The collection abstract base class. The collection.abc module defines a set of abstract classes that represent common data structure interfaces such as iterable, container, size, sequence, mapping, and set. By inheriting from these classes, ABCs, your classes clearly advertise their capabilities. Set protocol. The set protocol defines methods and operators that make an object behave like a set. It contains ITR and length for size. Going further, mutability. Mutability determines whether a collection can be modified after creation. Python distinguishes between mutable and immutable variants of collections. For example, set versus mutable set, mapping versus mutable mapping. By implementing mutable protocols like add, remove, update, your collections can behave like built-in mutable sets or dictionaries. Summary. Refactoring the performance often involves smarter data structure choices. Always measure first to target the right optimization. The collections.abc pieces provide a standardized way to define collection behaviors. The set protocol makes it easy to build custom set-like objects. Being clear about mutability improves code predictability and efficiency. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next session.